Welcome. I'm Andres Mejer, a New Jersey immigration attorney with offices in Long Branch and Lakewood. Today, USCIS is publishing their final rules for what they are now calling the Provisional Unlawful Presence Waiver. I just finished a teleconference with DHS Director Mallorca and a representative of the Department of State, and I couldn't wait to talk to you about it. So in this video series, I'm going to describe to you what the program is, what the requirements are, and I'm going to define some of the terms so that you understand what this program actually is. So come on, let's get to it. Alright, in this video I wanted to answer the question, what happens if I'm in removal proceedings and I want to apply for the Provisional Unlawful Presence Waiver? Well, the information we have at this point is that you can only file for the waiver if your removal proceedings has been administratively closed and when you filed it has not been recalendared. What that means is your United States immediate relative, which is a spouse or a parent in this situation, has to have filed the immediate relative petition. That's the I-130. That has to be adjudicated. That has to be approved. Then your removal proceeding case has to be administratively closed. That means you have to discuss with ICE and with the immigration judge that you have filed the I-130 and that it has been approved. Once that case is closed, then and only then can you reach out to the Department of State for the immigrant visa, pay the processing fee, and file for the provisional waiver. You cannot file for the provisional waiver if your removal proceeding has not been closed. Stay tuned for additional information as USCIS, DHS, and ICE updates us between now and March 4, 2013. The Provisional Unlawful Waiver Program will only forgive unlawful presence. So if there are other actions or other waivers that you need, you may not qualify for this program. Also, keep in mind, you cannot apply before March 4th, 2013. So beware of notarios or immigration consultants that say otherwise. For something as detailed as this program, you absolutely have to speak to a qualified immigration attorney. You do not want to find yourself outside the United States when you first learn that you will not be able to return for 10 years and will not be able to see your family. At that point, it's already too late. Learn how to find a qualified immigration attorney by downloading my free book, The American Dream Shattered: Dangers of Immigration Fraud. You can find it at my website. If this video has helped you, please let us know on Facebook, Google+, Twitter, LinkedIn, or on my blog on my website. I look forward to your immigration success.